Hello guys, welcome to today's video by Trust Stanley, and this is another video from TS Tech Talk. On today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to disable the last seen option on your Telegram app. Now let me open my Telegram app to show you guys exactly what I mean. Open this particular chat icon. You know where it says intrinsic trust, this is actually the person's name, and the next option says last seen, and the last seen is May 11th at 17:41. So what it does, it actually shows everybody that have last visited you an option and shows the person the last time you actually online. Now I'm going to disable this option so that you're no longer going to see the last time they are online. Let me go ahead and toggle this off. Now click on the menu icon, click on the settings, and now you're going to notice where it says privacy and security, right? Go ahead and click on that. Now you are going to notice where it says last seen and online. Click on that particular option. Now on default is set to everybody. Who can see you online right now is everybody. Now to toggle that off, all you need to do is to choose this option that says nobody. Now when you choose this option, click on this option to confirm that you have chosen this option. Now you are going to notice where it says you won't see last seen online status. Your people with whom you don't share yours approximate time will be shown instead, recently, within a week, within a month. Now click on OK to confirm that you want to make use of this option. I hope you guys understand what that actually means. Now it actually means that if you are making use of that particular option, you are also not going to be seeing other people's option too, and they are not going to be seeing your own also. So whenever you are online, nobody will know. Whenever they are online and the last time they are online, nobody will also know that also. So this is all for today's video. I hope this video is helpful, and if it did, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more video. I'm going to see you guys on my next video. Stay safe guys, and peace.